guys, what's going on? GasGamer001 here. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a 2x2 with the Ortega method. So yeah guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 2x2 using the Ortega method, or at least half of it, because I don't know the other half. I'm still learning this method, but I am pretty fast at it. This method actually looks like this. Or do the U2 at the end, I forgot. But yeah, you can average under 10 seconds if you have this. So we are beginning to scramble this cube up. Now, all of the, I don't require you to I don't require you to be able to solve a 3x3 for this, because this is just a 2x2. It's less than that. So what you want to do is you want to start by getting a layer. We're going to do white for the sake of the tutorial. So I notice right now that I do not have any pieces that I can just bring right up and it will be solved. Because you want to get a layer, not a color. So you see we have this piece right here that needs to go right up here because the two blue. So what I can do is I can move it to the side, bring the piece down, move the piece into slot, and bring it back up, and now it will be solved. And now you see we have this piece on the bottom. All you can do for that is if you have an empty bar, if you had a piece here it would be different, but if you have an empty bar you can do a U2. That makes that solved. Again, on here, we're going to bring it over, bring the piece down, move the piece over into its slot, and bring it right back up. So that's how you make a layer. We'll do it one more time. So again, we have this piece needs to go right up here. Since this piece is not in its correct spot because there's orange and orange, this piece needs to go right here. So I know that I can just bring this piece right up. And then we have this piece over here, which can just go right up. And then, again, line it up, move it over, bring it down, move it into its slot, and bring it back up. And now you got a layer. And then you can execute one of 7 OLO algorithms that are, if you have this algorithm right here, where you have one dot and the rest are going in a clockwise circle, just do this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Remember, we're just trying to get the top solved, not the entire cube. If you have this case right here, where you have a dot and they have all of the colors, like, if you have the dot like here, and it goes in a counterclockwise direction, face the dot so it's in the upper left, and do this. R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U, 2, R. If you have this case here, where you have a bar of 2, and you have a bar of 2 on here, hold it like this so that the bar of 2 that's not on the top is to your left, and then do this. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. If you have this case here, where you have a bar of 2, but then the other 2 are on opposite sides, hold it so that the bar on the top is to your right, and then do this. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. if you have this case here, where you have 2 bars in the front and 2 bars in the back, hold it so there's 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and do this. R2, U2, R, U2, R2. If you have this case right here, where you have 2 that are diagonal from each other, make sure that on the bottom left, you have a yellow sticker that is facing you. And then just do this. F, R prime, F prime, R, U, R, U prime, R prime. If you have a case like this, where you have a bar of 2 on the side, and then you also have 2, but they're on opposite sides, hold it so the bar is on your left, and then just do this. R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U2, R. So now that you have the top face solved, you want to worry about PLL, which is permuting the layer to get the cube solved. Now, if you solved the first layer, you should have one of 2 cases. You can either find a bar of 2, or you won't. If you have a bar of 2, just wait by, because I'm going to do the case where you don't have a bar of 2 first. To do this, just do R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R, B2, R2, B2. And if you didn't have a bar, that should form a bar. Line it up so that the bar is solving a color, and then do the algorithm again. So it's R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R, B2, R2, B2. Now just solve the cube. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial of the Ortega method. You can watch this more than once to get the method down, or you can maybe write down the algorithm so you won't forget. But yeah, that was my tutorial of the 2x2. It's GasGamer001 signing out.